Hello, it's Emily the home chef. Today, I will steam fry broccoli with garlic. Broccoli is a rich source of nutrients, including minerals such as calcium, iron and potassium, vitamins A, C and K and antioxidants, which bring numerous health benefits. However, many people choose not to eat broccoli because of its slightly bitter flavor. Some find broccoli quite tough to chew. Actually, what they need is a right cooking method. Many people cook broccoli by boiling or blanching. However, boiling broccoli will cause the loss of beneficial substances. Rather, steam-fry broccoli helps keep broccoli's beneficial substances. My recipe will let you have a gorgeous, crisp, tender and scrumptious broccoli dish. If you want more cooking ideas and tips, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And leave your comments. In this recipe only 3 ingredients are needed: broccoli, garlic and cooking oil. How to pick good quality broccoli. Always looks for broccoli which has a dark or bright green crown with closed flower buds. Never buy broccoli whose buds are yellow or open. Right now I have 2 beautiful broccoli with me. They are green with tightly close buds. Apart from the crown, let's have a look at the stalk. Its stalk is short, which means it is young and tender. I will use one for the dish. To trim florets from a broccoli head, use a sharp knife so that you can cut precisely. Cut off the florets from the stalk, where it naturally branches off. Don't cut from the crown or you will lose a lot of florets. It is up to you to rip off the florets by a knife or by hands. Trim the florets depending on your preference. Broccoli's stalk is edible. However, for this dish, I am not going to use the stalk part. We can save it to make other dish in broccoli soup later. Turn the broccoli to find right place to cut. This is how to cut the florets off the stalk. I will further trim the florets after separation. Apart from sight test, there is one more tip for picking broccoli. Since broccoli will give unpleasant odor when it is gone bad, we can have a smell test on the broccoli. The good ones should have no unpleasant smell. Cut the broccoli at the base. Pull them apart by fingers. I like to cut the florets into bite-sized pieces, which are more friendly to the little ones, and the whole family will find it easier to chew. I would cut along the stem. When I get to the crown, I would pull it apart by hands so as to keep the florets intact. As the cuts increase the surface area and decrease the thickness, the florets will cook faster too. After separating the florets, next step is to wash the broccoli. Prepare a big bowl and some salt. My bowl can hold at most 6 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add in water and mix with the salt. Soaking broccoli in salty water can help remove any small bugs that may be hidden in the florets. Add in florets. I use this bowl for easier filming. You can use a bigger pot. Let the florets soak in salty water for 5 minutes. Then rinse with running water and drain away the water. The florets are now ready for cooking. Okay, we come to prepare the minced garlic. Separate the garlic cloves from the bulb. Remove the garlic skin. The amount of garlic used depends on your preference and how big your garlic is. I use 3 cloves of garlic for lighter taste. If you like stronger garlic taste, I think at most half of the garlic is enough. Use a chef's knife to smash the garlic cloves. Finely chop the smashed garlic. Run the knife through the garlic several times to make smaller pieces. Let the chopped garlic stand for 10 to 15 minutes. The enzymes in the garlic will be activated to react with oxygen in the air to maximize the garlic flavor. All the ingredients are ready. Let's get cooking started. Since I'm using non-stick pan, put oil in the pan before heating it up. 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil will be fine. Spread the oil over the pan. All along use medium-low heat. Let me show you the medium-low heat in my stove. Keep using medium-low heat since high heat will turn the broccoli brown. We will use high heat in later stage. When the pan is heated up, add the florets and mix with the oil. It is to coat the florets with oil. Let it cook for 2 minutes. We can cover the lid during waiting. But, it is important to stir-fry occasionally. Make sure the florets are heated evenly, and check the florets haven't turned brown. After 2 minutes, add in 1/4 cup of hot water. Mix the florets with the hot water. Then close the lid and let it steam for 5 minutes. In the midway, stir-fry the florets. I combine stir-fry and steam in making this dish. The color of the broccoli will stay green, and the texture can be tender crisp. Continue steaming. After the midway stir-fry, in Hong Kong we can buy broccoli in both wet markets and supermarkets. I brought my broccoli in a supermarket. Guess what much does it cost? 10 Hong Kong dollars and 90 cents for 2 only. It is absolutely a great budget meal idea. After steaming, stir-fry the florets again. I am happy to say that. Look, it is still green in color. Follow my recipe. Home cook can make a gorgeous broccoli dish too. Taste and check whether it is at your desired crisp tender stage. If it's a yes, put the florets at the edge of the pan. We will come to the last step to put in minced garlic. In the inner circle, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Let it heat up under medium-low heat for a while. Add minced garlic and stir-fry until it's lightly golden. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes. When you can smell garlic flavor, mix the garlic with the florets. All along we have used medium-low heat. Now, in the final stir-fry, use medium-high heat. Stir-fry until it reaches your desired texture. My favorite texture is crunchy florets in flavorful garlic taste. It won't take long, only need 1 to 2 minutes of stir-fry. And a delicious dish is expecting your bites. Tender, crisp, garlicky, beautiful broccoli florets is ready to serve. What are you waiting for? Give it a try. If you like my cooking show, press like and subscribe this channel, Emily the Home Chef. Are you thinking about what to cook for the main dish? Broccoli, very often, is side dish. However, it has the potential to be a glorious main dish. In the coming videos, I will share my yummy recipe of how I cook broccoli with squids. If you want to know how to turn broccoli into gourmet food, or if you are a seafood lover, remember to stay tuned. Also check out Emily the Home Chef for cooking ideas and inspirations. See you.